Hey guys, so I'm going to try to walk you through jGrasp installation and setting up. Um, First off, within my Canvas, if you go to course information and scroll down to the IDEs, uh, the links will be right here. Obviously, I haven't posted them yet. I'm making the video. Um, but yeah, let's just go ahead. Um, After playing around with this, I'm probably not going to do this long term. In fact, I'll probably teach you NetBeans again just because so many people have no experience with this. No offense to jGrasp, it does a lot of things very well, but you need to have a basic understanding. And it, NetBeans basically treats you as a beginner. It does a lot of things automatically that are just easier. So the first thing is, here's NetBeans environment. The first time you open it up, you can pick which theme you like. There's the dark mode and so forth. But what we're going to do first is we're going to actually go down to the folder here and set up a file. One of the things that it doesn't do is it doesn't set you up a repository. So we're going to go to Documents. On you guys, it'll be your student H drive. For me, it'll be my teacher drive. And we're just going to make a folder called jGrasp. Okay, that's going to be there. And as you see, I've already set a couple of things up. But inside that, we're going to make a folder called Unit 2. There's lots of ways you can organize your data, and if you want to do it differently than me, feel free to. But I think organizing them by units will just make things a lot easier to find them, locate them, and then keep track of everything. So over here, let's see. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to go in here. Okay. So there's jGrasp Unit 2. So at the moment, there's nothing in mine. Now that the folder is created, it's a little easier to navigate for it. So we go to File, make a new Java file. And another thing it doesn't do is it doesn't automatically save the file. So we, as the coders, have to be a little more on the ball and intuitive about what we're doing with the file. Okay, we set up our normal skeleton, public, class, and then whatever you want to name your file. In this case, I'll just call it Hello World. Okay. Public, static, void main, string, args. Okay. There we go. So we have to do all of that customizing ourselves. Okay. Public. Okay. So, wow, it's spelled hello. Just all over the place today. Okay. There you go. There's the entire hello world. Now, obviously, header stuff would be up here. Say this is my class 1B, whatever the case may be. Header and whatnot, but nothing's actually saved, so we can't run it just yet. So let's see. We compile it. This is where we finally have to save the data. So we're going to save it. And again, this is where we have to remember all the requirements. So because we set it up, it did pull our name from it. So that's our class name. It automatically saved. That's good. So we want to save it there. And make sure the folder, yep, it's in Unit 2. And so now it will pop up over here, create its class file, which is just a support file. It doesn't have any of our code. It just has other information that Java needs. Okay, and now that it's compiled, now oops, there's a little running man. Yep, run, and there we go. Hello world. Okay, It's not bad. I like it. It's very bare bones minimum, but all the buttons are tiny, so you have to know what's going on, or you have to know what you're looking for. It's not a bad program in any way. I can see why Mr. Patterson likes it for the more experienced coders, but I think we're going to be better served if we keep to NetBeans as an initial run. And then as you guys feel more confident, if you wish, you can migrate to jGrasp or Eclipse or one of those more advanced IDEs that has a lot more bells and whistles. So I hope this was helpful, and have a good day.